Ever heard of digital gold? How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone! Have you ever heard the term digital gold thrown around? It's a nickname for Bitcoin, the world's first and most famous cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has been on a roller coaster ride since its creation in 2009, but its popularity keeps surging. Maybe you're curious about what all the fuss is about, or perhaps you're ready to jump on the bandwagon yourself. Either way, you might be wondering, how do I actually buy Bitcoin? Well, fear not, fellow adventurer. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency and exploring how to buy Bitcoin using Cash App, a popular and user-friendly mobile app. Even if you're a complete crypto newbie, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Before we get down to business, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Bitcoin a good investment? Well, that's a complicated question. The world of cryptocurrency is inherently volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate wildly. There's no guarantee Bitcoin will skyrocket like it did in its early days. Do your research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Alright, disclaimers out of the way, let's get you started on your Bitcoin buying journey. Step 1. Download Cash App, if you haven't already. Cash App is a free mobile application available on both iOS and Android devices. If you haven't used it before, you'll need to download the app and create an account. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward, just follow the on-screen prompts. Step 2. Fund your Cash App. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to have some money in your Cash App. You can link your bank account or debit card to easily transfer funds. Step 3. Find the Bitcoin tab. Open your Cash App and look for the Bitcoin symbol on the bottom navigation bar. It might be hidden under a menu depending on your version. Tap on the Bitcoin symbol to enter the Bitcoin section of the app. Step 4. Buy Bitcoin. Here comes the exciting part. You'll see a big blue button that says Buy with a Bitcoin symbol next to it. Tap that button and you'll be presented with a few options for purchasing Bitcoin. Amount. Cash App allows you to buy Bitcoin in various increments. They offer pre-selected amounts for your convenience, or you can tap the button to choose a custom amount. Step 5. Review and confirm. Once you've selected the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, Cash App will show you the current price and any associated fees. Review the details carefully before proceeding. Step 6. Security check. For your safety, Cash App might ask you to verify your identity by entering your PIN or some additional information. This is a normal security measure, so don't be alarmed. Step 7. Congratulations, you now own Bitcoin. If everything goes smoothly, Cash App will confirm your Bitcoin purchase. You can now see your Bitcoin balance within the app. Security reminders and additional tips. Remember, Bitcoin is a digital asset, and with great power comes great responsibility. Here are some additional points to keep in mind. Cash App security. Cash App uses security measures to protect your account, but it's always a good idea to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Bitcoin wallets. While Cash App allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, it technically functions as a custodial wallet. This means Cash App holds the private keys to your Bitcoin. For enhanced security, some users prefer to transfer their Bitcoin to a personal wallet where they control the private keys themselves. Fees. Cash App charges fees for buying and selling Bitcoin. These fees are typically factored into the overall price you see when purchasing. So there you have it. You've successfully purchased Bitcoin using Cash App. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and exciting, but remember, it's also complex. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions, and don't be afraid to ask questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring.